So this is on Central in Hong Kong, so we're just going to film. We're kind of doing a fashion show, so they're practicing some walking. So this is kind of watch. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is kind of watch what they do a little bit. And this whole street has a lot of Filipinos on a Sunday, so they're practicing their walk there. It's kind of cool. And now I think they're going to follow this walk and go all the way this way in a second. So this is kind of the leader right here. So we'll follow this walk in a minute. So this is the leader, so I think they're just they're calling a few other people. There's a friend of theirs, I guess. So she's gonna go talk to them. So we'll see what happens. So let's see. I don't know if they're gonna do it or not. I think they're just setting the music right now, so let's just capture this for a second. Okay, so now she's setting the thing. And now let's see what they do. So they're setting up. So there we go, there's one. We're gonna cross here. And that must be kind of the manager or coach. So they'll go this way. Stop. And we're gonna have another one in a second, so the next one's coming up. Yeah, here they come back again. We got some more setting up here. Okay. Maybe we'll stop there. So, okay. Pretty cool music too. These are the next ones coming. I think in a minute, earlier when I first came up, honestly, they had all of them that were together, so we're going to capture these ones coming this way. Pretty cool. We'll catch one more. Pretty cool. They're going to start converging right now. Okay. Some more. Okay. So maybe I'll conclude this one. There we go. So it's kind of a fashion walk. Alright. So we'll stop right there. We're going to zoom in on this one and then we'll the manager. Pretty cool. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.